As the Earth continues its adventurous journey in the galaxy, along with the rest of the solar system, many altruist scientists, such as Nobel laureates Hannes Alfvén, Anthony Pert of the laboratories of Los Alamos, and others working at NASA, CERN, other institutions, or independently, continuing the ancient traditions, they all show us exactly how the regular observation of the sky, or gazing at it with either binoculars or telescopes, helps us to calm down, to orientate, to predict the weather, to not afraid of eclipses, and to work together to repel periodic threats such as lightning, and now with new technologies to repel even space storms. Some of which in recent decades have caused blackouts in Quebec in 1989, in Sweden in 2003, and of GPS in 2005, while humankind spared global blackout with incalculable consequences, including nuclear domino explosions, when we avoided for 9 hours the solar superstorm hit in July 2012. Let's look very briefly how we got to be able to ward off such threats, which until recently seemed invincible. 99.99% of the universe consists of the fourth form of matter, plasma, electrified gases, which are sometimes invisible, sometimes visible as the stars, nebulae, the aurora, lightnings, fluorescent lamps, flames. Electric power is 10 to the 39th power times stronger than gravity. Thus we rejoice when safely taming electricity, for example in the devices we use. Gravity is just the resultant of electrical charges. And magnetism is a power always perpendicular to electric charges. The magnets pull iron because their parallel molecules are electrified by the electric field of the Earth. A few years ago, researchers demonstrated that the ancient expression in many peoples that lightning falls sometimes without any clouds from a clear sky comes from observations of many people who saw the phenomenon in the countryside, as the plasma lightning descends to Earth from a star. The clouds actually are created by space electricity when they precede the lightning. Similarly, another group of researchers demonstrated that space electricity plasma, besides the atmosphere, excites the magma too, causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. In this simple experiment, wherein the vinegar makes soda to foam, the ratio is that the vinegar represents the space electricity, while soda the magma. In conclusion, we see that as for centuries the provident people care with lightning rods to deflect lightning, so today with the tested plasma sphere produced by colliding powerful lasers, we can ward off the excess particles of a space superstorm plasma, which can cause massive disasters from blackouts to volcanic eruptions and a new glacial period. Even an avertible now magnetic pole reversal can happen if the space plasma is huge and hits Earth, that is a spherical conductor, under a certain angle, as we move with a magnet, a compass needle. So, everyone who helps the collective defense of humankind against the aforementioned risks with the anti-fatalist centenarian optimism is a global rescuer.